Hey kiddos, happy Tuesday. Miss Schultz here to do some CGI with you. Before we jump into today's new problem, we're going to go over the independent problem from yesterday that was about Jalea and all those cookies. Let's see how you did and if you solved it correctly. Jalea had 68 cookies. Her mom took away some of her cookies. Now she has 39 cookies. How many did her mom take away? I chose to solve this using a subtraction strategy. I started with my larger number of 68. So I drew 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 8. And then I knew that I didn't know the part that her mom took away, but I did know 39 was what she had left, so that was one of my parts. I'm going to take that away to find my missing part. So I took away 10, 20, 30, and then I took away 8, but I needed one more to make 9 taking away. Took a 1 off the top, so that made this 10 a 9. Took away 9 in total, and that got me to 10, 20, and 29. So if I do 68 minus 39, I would get 29. Jalea's mom took away 29 cookies. Give me a big brain match if you got that same answer. Nice job, you guys. Okay, we're going to jump into today's new problem. It's pretty similar to this problem, so we're going to look to solve it in some similar ways. Taking this off. Let me tell you a story. This story is about my good friend, Zariah. Now, last year on her birthday, Zariah decided that she wanted tons of cupcakes for her and all her friends. So Zariah got 81 delicious cupcakes. Some were chocolate, some were vanilla, some had sprinkles, some had frosting. They were amazing. And she took those 81 cupcakes and she gave some of them away to her friends. Then she counted them up and she realized she had 29 cupcakes left. What Zariah wants to know is, how many cupcakes did she give away to her friends? Let's read the story problem together. Alrighty. Zariah had 81 cupcakes. She gave away some cupcakes to her friends. Now she has 29 cupcakes left. How many cupcakes did she give away? I'll read it one more time and then it's your turn. You better be remembering it. Zariah had 81 cupcakes. She gave away some cupcakes to her friends. Now she has 29 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did she give away? Covering it up, it's your turn to tell it back to me in your own words. All right, Kipsters, tell me that problem. Awesome job. I can tell you were listening so carefully. Now, before you go solve on your own, I have a question for you. Do you think Zariah gave away more or less than 81 cupcakes? Do you think she gave away more or less than 81 cupcakes? Get ready, show me on your fingers in 3, 2, 1, 0. Some friends saying she gave away more than 81 and some friends saying she gave away less than 81. It is going to be your job to solve and find out. I'm going to put 4 minutes on the timer. You are going to get your pencil and paper, show me all your work, really think about those strategies, and make sure you are labeling. If you're done, solve in that second way to really push your thinking. Ready? I'll move this paper out of the way. 4 minutes. Go ahead. Nice job, Kipsters. Neat and organized work. Make sure to show all the parts and label all parts. Great job, Kipsters. Keep it up. Don't forget to write a number sentence. If you're done early, solve in a second way. One minute left, kiddos. All right, my friends, I hope you had enough time to solve. I am super excited to show you the 2 ways that I chose to solve this problem. We're going to start with a subtraction strategy. So I'm going to get out 81 cubes to show the 81 cupcakes Zariah had. And then I wonder if you can tell me how many I'm going to take away. You're right, I'm going to take away 29 because that's the part that I know, and then that's going to give me the part that I don't know. So let's start by taking out 81 cubes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 1. Awesome. So that's 81. And now you told me I'm going to take away 29 because that's the part that I do know. So let's start with that. 10, 20. Ooh, I only have one to take away. So I need 8 more to make 9. So I'm going to take the 1 and I'm going to take 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together, that means I took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. That leaves me with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Let's draw that out. Nice job, you guys. Okay. Here are my 81, and I'm going to start by taking away 29. 10, 20, this is where it got a little tricky. I had to take away that 1, and then I needed 8 more. So I'm going to leave 2 at the bottom, and take away 8 cubes. That means that leaves me with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52. So I know that 81 minus something equals 29, but I solved it by doing 81 minus 29 equals something, and that missing something, 81 minus 29 equals 52. Very nice, kiddos. Let's now use the strategy of counting up from that number we know. We're going to add up, and I'm definitely going to use decade counting because this would take a very long time if I didn't do that. I want to be super efficient with my work. So let's start by getting out 29 cubes. So 10, 20, take a 1 off of 10. That'll get me 29. Okay, and now I need to add up, and I need to add up until I get to 81. So I definitely want a decade count. So I have 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89. Nope, too many. Can't do that. So I'm going to count on by 1. So 79, 80, 81. So I added 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. And that makes sense because that matches with what we got up here. Let's figure out how to draw that on our paper. Get those cubes out of the way. Get our paper out of the way. Okay, so I started with 29. And then I decade counted on. So 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, couldn't decade count anymore, 80, 81. So that means I added 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52. That was 52 cubes in total. So I know that 29 plus 52 equals 81. And this was my missing number. Amazing, Kipsters. You are getting so good at both subtracting away from a total and adding up when we don't know one of the parts. I'm going to take this away, and as always, we're going to solve one final problem before we are done today. All right, independent problem, get ready for it. Ms. Ross had 74 pieces of candy. She gave some candy to her friends. Now she has 38 pieces of candy. How many pieces did she give away? Ms. Ross had 74 pieces of candy. She gave some candy to her friends. Now she has 38 pieces of candy. How many pieces did she give away? I'm going to leave this up here for you. You're going to pause, make sure you write it down. Solve it out. Try to challenge yourself to use both of those two strategies that we've been using, the strategy of subtraction and the strategy of adding up. We will go over it as always before we get started tomorrow. Bye, Kipsters. Great job today.